Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the oven door handle on your range, open the oven door to the broil position. Then lift it off of the hinges. Remove the screws to release the door barrier from the bottom of the door. Next, remove the screws to release the lower trim. Now slide the door glass out. Next, remove the screws on the side of the outer door panel. Now loosen the screws on the inner panel. Use a putty knife to help lift the inner door panel out. You can now remove the screws securing the handle and remove the old handle. Install the new oven door handle by aligning it on the outer door panel. Then replace the screws to secure. Replace the inner door panel. Make sure the spacers are positioned on the inner panel screws. Then thread and tighten the screws. Reinstall the screws on the sides of the outer door panel. With the rough side of the oven door glass facing inward and the curved portion of the window closest to the door handle, insert the glass into the channel in the upper trim. Replace the lower door trim by aligning the door glass in the channel and pushing the trim into position. Replace the screws to secure the trim. Realign the door barrier and replace the screws to secure. Make sure the door hinges are still in the broil position. Then replace the oven door by aligning it on the hinges and sliding it into position.